Okay, right now we have 3 questions. Okay, for example, the fourth question, I want to select randomly from the quiz that been used in quizzes. For example, okay, the topic here is on educational technology, and then we can search any quiz about educational technology. Okay, this is the list here. For example, this one have 13 question, 20 question, 15 question. For example, we selected the first one. Okay, there is a set of question that being complete already. Okay, so we can select from other quizzes, okay, that is suitable for our set of question here. Okay, for example, I want to select this one. Okay, teacher are faced with challenge through education, through technology. Okay, so we just let this one selected add. Okay, and then question 7 have been teleport. Okay, and then we cancel it. Okay, so automatically, so the question from the first quiz that been selected have been selected in our quiz here. Okay, as the fourth question. Okay, we also can edit the question if we think that the question is quite tough for student to understand. We can explain it further or minimize the questions in order to let the student understand about the questions, and then we can, for example, I want to delete this one, the citation here 2007. Okay, it state that school must produce. Okay, teacher are faced with challenge in relation to the it state that school must produce. So I just eliminate the word give 2007 there, and then we can also change the answer if we want to. Right, for example, I don't want to change any answer here, so we must save it again, and then now we have the set of question. The quiz quality score is 10 over 10, so that means that we can publish it already. So done, and then it will be saved. Okay, so we will have the question here, educational technology. Nobody have been playing it, so it have 4 questions. For example, we click here. Okay, here we can share the question through the any link, and then paste, give the student the link. Okay, we also still can edit it again if we think that something wrong with our question. Okay, so if we think that the question have uh, quite okay, so we must select the done, and then we can practice, and then we can challenge our friend to answer this question. Okay, so you must remember when you have edited it. Okay, you must save it again. For example, if I want to practice the question, okay, this is the interface for practice. Okay, so this is the timer. We can set the time or not. So this is a memes. So memes is we can select, okay, any for example, this is like a troll for the question. So we can select any memes that you think suitable, that one goodbye, for example. So for example, if the student answer wrong question, so there will be a memes there. So read aloud, so the question will be read by this system. Okay, so you can use it or not. And then power up is the timing there. Okay, so flashcard is only not still not available. This is the things that can be used to help the student answer. Okay, if you want to challenge our friend, okay, so you can challenge friend. Okay, you can select anybody to challenge from the list. Okay, for example, you can type up your friend's name. So if we want to practice, okay, we can practice first. Then for example, we can start. Okay, the setup here, or we select all the setting here, and then we go through to the quiz that we done. Okay, for example, we answer this one. Okay, this is the memes that been selected. So if want to select here, you can submit because the time still going on. Okay, this if you don't want to use any music, you can stop it. Okay, if you don't want the question to be read by the quizzes, so you can select this one. Okay, and then you can submit. For this, I said not sure, and then time still running up. So if we don't submit, and then we will lose this question. Okay, so this answer is aware. Okay, for example, I selected this one, which is the correct answer. This is the memes here. So if we answer the question wrongly, okay, so it will go back to the question again. For example, we do it wrongly again. Okay, this is just the practice for us. Okay, so all been done. Okay, and then there is also questions there that can we discuss with quizzes if you have any ideas to upgrade the system, the application. Okay, this is the summary for our result. Okay, we can play again, we can find a new quiz. For example, this is the statistic there, 3 correct answer, 1 incorrect. Okay, so we answer it all according to the time given, the average time. So the longest trick is that we answer only 2 correct question accordingly. Okay, this is the review question. This is the wrong answer. This is the correct answer. Okay, this is we can click if you want to turn off the music. Alright, okay, I think that's all for today about quizzes. So I hope that this knowledge can be used for educators all around the world in order to make the teaching and learning process successful and let the student understand about the topic. Okay guys, that's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.